Today on Daily GitHub Radar, 5 repositories developers are starring right now, and why they matter. Number 5 is openhuman by tinyhumansai. It is an open-source personal AI assistant for your desktop, private, local first, and built around a more human UI than the usual chat box. The fun part is the mascot-style agent that can remember context, connect to tools like Gmail, Notion, GitHub, Slack, Calendar, Drive, Linear, and Jira, and keep a local memory tree. It is early beta, so expect rough edges, but the ambition is clear, a personal AI operating layer that actually lives with your daily apps. If you are watching the agent space, this is worth tracking because it tries to package advanced agent behavior into something normal people can install and use. Number 4 is Superpowers by Jesse Vincent. This project is a methodology and skills framework for coding agents. Instead of letting an agent instantly spray code, Superpowers pushes it through a healthier software loop. Understand the goal, write a spec, make a plan, use test-driven development, then launch subagents to implement and review work. What is good here is not one flashy model trick. It is process. As AI coding gets more autonomous, the bottleneck becomes discipline, clear requirements, small tasks, tests, and review. Superpowers is trending because teams want agents that behave less like autocomplete and more like a careful engineering workflow. Number 3 is Scientific Agent Skills from Cadence AI. Think of it as a giant skill library for research agents, 135 ready-to-use skills covering bioinformatics, genomics, drug discovery, molecular dynamics, clinical research, imaging, geospatial science, forecasting, and more than 100 scientific databases. The repo also points to a desktop co-scientist app where researchers bring their own model keys and keep data local. The interesting thing is specialization. General AI agents are useful, but science needs exact workflows, tools, and databases. This repo is an attempt to give agents real lab and research muscle. Number 2 is Supertonic from Supertone. It is a lightning-fast, on-device, multilingual text-to-speech system that runs through ONNX, with support across Swift, Python, JavaScript, Rust, Go, C#, C++, and mobile environments. The appeal is simple, good voice generation without sending every request to the cloud. That matters for privacy, latency, cost, and apps that need to work offline. It is also fun because voice is becoming the interface for agents, tutors, companions, games, and accessibility tools. If high-quality local TTS keeps improving, a lot more products can feel alive. Number 1 is RuView by RuVnet. This one is wild. It claims to turn ordinary Wi-Fi signals into spatial intelligence, presence detection, and vital sign monitoring without video cameras. The idea is using radio frequency signals to infer movement or presence in a room, which could be useful for smart homes, elder care, security, robotics, and privacy-preserving sensing. The obvious caveat: projects like this need careful validation, and the real-world accuracy matters more than the demo. But it is trending because the concept is fascinating, sensing spaces without cameras, using infrastructure people already have. The pattern today is clear. Developers are excited about agents becoming practical, specialized, local, and embodied. Personal assistants, agent workflows, scientific skills, local voice, and Wi-Fi sensing all point in the same direction. Software that understands more context and interacts with the real world more naturally. That is today's Daily GitHub Radar. Subscribe if you want the top 5 developer trends in under 5 minutes every day.